Hi, my name is Daniel Stompie Selibe. I'm an artist because I love art. It's most important thing in my life, and it has gave me so much pleasure and healing. It's one thing that I do that I've discovered that this is my only strength of being a musician and an artist. And I think it has really paved so much opportunities in my life to become who I am today. And I'm really comfortable in the space I am. It's a place of joy, place of healing, a place that brought me opportunities, a place that brought the world into me. That's why I am an artist.